Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is a quick tutorial video to show teachers how to fill out the report cards for students. You're going to be receiving the report card in Word format. So you're going to need Microsoft Office installed on your machine in order for you to open the file. Once you open the file, this is how it's going to look like, and all these cells are clickable. So for example, you're just going to enter the student name, like that, and date of when you filled out the form, like that, teacher's name, and then course, for example, Quran 100 Bidaya. Down here is the academic record of the student. These cells show the maximum mark for each category. So, for example, filling that out is, let's say, 8%, assignments 20%, midterm 25%, and final mark is 28%. So that's just an example. And the final average, the final average is going to be adding up all these numbers, which is 25 and 8 plus 28, which should be, I think, about 81%, plus 20, plus 25, plus 28 is 81%. Down here, the teacher will write down their notes to parents. Now, the second category is the classroom student conduct, and this is evaluated based on this scale: E for excellent, G for good, S for satisfactory, and N for needs improvement. So you're gonna enter the each one here depending on the student's performance. And down here, again, you're just gonna write down there the teacher's note. So with that, the file is done. You're gonna save it. You're gonna make sure that you're gonna make a file for each student and name, make a copy of the files and name each file with a student name. We're not gonna be sending these files to students in the Word format. They're gonna be in PDF. And the way to do that is to go into the file, and you go Save As. You click Save As, and a box will open. Sorry, you're just going to go under Save As, you're going to go Browse, and I know the box in the recording is not showing for some reason. It doesn't show the Save As box. Under the Save As type, the file type, you're going to click, the menu will open, and you're going to select PDF and hit Save. This will automatically save your file into PDF. If that doesn't work for you, or you need more help, you can email me at info@raheeq.ca, or you can speak with Dr. Musab Al-Ibrahim or Sister Nada Haymur. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.